Vegetarian dishes and fortification of nutrients. Vegetarianism is a food philosophy that has gained increasing popularity in recent years. The reasons behind this shift towards plant-based diets are many, ranging from ethical and environmental concerns to health benefits. One of the main concerns surrounding vegetarianism, however, is whether it provides adequate nutrition. In this article, we will explore the nutritional considerations necessary to ensure a healthy vegetarian diet. What is a vegetarian diet? A vegetarian diet is one that excludes meat, poultry, fish, and seafood. However, there are different types of vegetarian diets, each with varying degrees of food restriction. For example, lacto-ovo vegetarians consume dairy products and eggs, while vegans avoid all animal products, including dairy and eggs. While vegetarian diets have many health benefits, they can also pose some challenges, particularly when it comes to obtaining certain essential nutrients. It is therefore important to ensure that vegetarians consume a varied and balanced diet that includes all the necessary nutrients. Protein. One of the most common concerns about vegetarianism is whether it provides enough protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, as well as for maintaining a healthy immune system. Animal products are a rich source of protein, but there are also many plant-based sources of protein that can be incorporated into a vegetarian diet. Some excellent vegetarian sources of protein include legumes, beans, peas, lentils, chickpeas, nuts, almonds, cashews, peanut seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds. Tofu and tempeh. Quinoa. Seitan. It is important to note that while these plant-based sources of protein are excellent, they may not contain all the essential amino acids that our bodies need. Therefore, it is important to consume a variety of different protein sources throughout the day to ensure that all amino acids are obtained. Iron. Iron is another essential nutrient that can be challenging to obtain on a vegetarian diet. Iron is needed to produce hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in our blood. Meat is a rich source of iron, but there are also many plant-based sources of iron that can be incorporated into a vegetarian diet. Some excellent vegetarian sources of iron include legumes, lentils, kidney beans, chickpeas, dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens, whole grains, quinoa, brown rice, oatmeal. Nuts and seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews. It is important to note that the type of iron found in plant-based sources, non-heme iron, is less easily absorbed by the body than the type of iron found in meat, heme iron. Therefore, it is important to consume these iron-rich foods with a source of vitamin C, as vitamin C helps to enhance iron absorption. Calcium. Calcium is important for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. While dairy products are a rich source of calcium, there are also many plant-based sources of calcium that can be incorporated into a vegetarian diet. Some excellent vegetarian sources of calcium include dark leafy greens, kale, collard greens, broccoli, fortified plant milks, soy milk, almond milk, oat milk. Tofu, made with calcium sulfate sesame seeds. Almonds. It is important to note that while these plant-based sources of calcium are excellent, they may not be absorbed as easily by the body as calcium from dairy products. Therefore, it is important to consume these calcium-rich foods